So Zach, thank you for coming here to join us. The conference is coming to an end. I have a few quick questions about you. They are more specific in your area. So let's start with the executive launch. What was it like this year? What was your experience?
Yeah, thank you very much for having me. This year, we had a plan of change with the executive lounge. We thought about it like the business lounge at the airport, right? So we wanted to create a space also for the speakers and the VIPs to have a laid-back conversations to go there in case like all the conference gets overwhelming sometimes, or especially also over 3 days, to create a space where they can like go there, relax a bit, watch the live stream in the lounge as well, and then have more in-depth conversations and form long-term relationships. And that's why we have the executive lounge. We had a beautiful terrace with the view on the Adriatic Sea as well. On the second day, we also had like a closed setup. So here, we had also invited like some local investors as well, and then also our valuable guests and speakers that just came together, had some drinks, had some in-depth conversations, and formed hopefully long-term partnerships as well.
That's great. I was visiting your exterior launch and everything was perfect.
Thank you very much.
Let's touch the thematics of ventures. What are the key investment themes of Cosmos this year, and what do you expect to be in the next year?
Yeah, with Cosmos Ventures, we're also trying to create a platform, especially for early stage projects that are coming to Cosmos and like building within the Cosmos ecosystem and giving them essentially a hand, and to connect them also with other investors in our network, and like also providing the bridge between the both worlds, because we saw like some kind of misconnection and a gap in the ecosystem, and that's where we're stepping in with Cosmos Ventures to build the bridge and facilitate the connections. And in terms of projects that are coming up, we see right now also a lot of infrastructure play. Of course, RWA and tokenization is still a huge topic. And next to that, also the narrative around stablecoins is completely present here. And we see also a lot of projects that are building towards that. That also ties in with the audience that we had. We had like 4 central banks here, and the discussions about stablecoins were quite dominant.
Let's step away from the ventures for a second and go to the startups for a second. So, what do you think are the main values, propositions, or benefits for startups presenting at this year's Cosmoverse? What do you see as the most important thing to put out?
Yeah, so we have our pitching competition where we have 2 rounds essentially. One is a closed round setup where we give the projects basically a space also to present in front of the jury, but also to our executives to listen, and then the projects can present themselves, maybe find some advisors or find some service providers, or maybe even co-founders with which they can build along the way. And then the best projects, last year was 3 of them, this year we selected 2, have the opportunity to present on main stage in front of the full audience, which will be also live streamed. So basically they can raise awareness of their project, onboard maybe eventually already users, get known in the ecosystem and present themselves. And then on top of that, we're obviously also supporting them with Cosmos Ventures, trying to facilitate all the connections they need and prepare them basically to come back next year and hopefully present again on main stage as a mature project.
What would be your message for all of the others that didn't come this year to your Cosmos as a startup, or as a venture, or as an enterprise, to be ready for the next event?
Yeah, we see our conference always as the peak of the year, right? We always like leading up to the conference, have a lot of work in the background as well. And we're also trying to facilitate the connections and share our network also with everyone who needs that leading up to the conference. So my message would be, don't be shy, reach out to us. We are here to help, and we are here to like lend a hand. And just reach out to us, and if you have any kind of idea or anything that you want to do at Cosmos, or if you want to present something, we also had in the past years, for example, also mainnet launches on stage. This is the platform to do that.
On that statement, I think we said enough. and thank you for joining us. And hopefully, we'll see you next year in a bigger and better event than this year.
Yeah, we're excited for that. Thank you very much.
Thank